some of the MMDCs, whether past, present, no government or no me be me nipa boneful.
Okay.
They being kanokre. Some people abuse the funds.
I see.
Yes, one say yeah, can. Me. I not to work of a car. We must say massam them. Me straight away.
Yeah.
Some of the MMDCs be a fool.
I see.
So sorry to use that word. Me MC.
So you know the system.
What do I say? A bit much buy tan. So it is a no. And I be out think. I mean defend their craft for no. Me bow. So now think crime. Maybe I see common fund for MRA. No me inspecting project. You see be a DDF for MRA me inspecting project. Me banna say sika e dey free crime basa for ye adwuma no. Why na basa? Next time on us our think now but you why be bloom yan. And because of that those in Accra also took advantage of it.
I see.
Based on yen short force ni se huna na MMDCs ni be die atwa mu ni de won mu di na se for ntino. Omo take credit to fees there. Me so I have to report. As me so me something for myself. As em timia bibi ntino. Ono so tiwa no na adwene mu no. Ofi said ono so be ya obabi timia man achieve what as can be adwuma no to. Obeba na de se be se mu nko ano no so be di. So omu pesa. Omu pekro ye ebi mu pekro no nketenkete too much. Omu fre bibi activity. What is the kind of man is on from Koya Jumano? Betimi a shisha, dear Nasa, for Scana Brakwa, scanning your Juma. Obaconia, Churocata, say, be a sit down. Obacohenu, who then be a ho. Wow. The America say, sometimes, oh, yeah, and I should look at ourselves. Maybe dear me, Opa go to a Socorabampo and check my history. The America say, my footprints are all over the place.
Yeah.
Come on, find them by me. Imagine the business say, me the Juma. At the point in time, I have problem with my colleagues.
I see.
They think that me Juma dena me and Maumunu
exposing them.
Basika na me genus. I may be musuji.
It's normal.
Me met me about me cross meet I can tell you say as Corman Pont, me CMC Bangalo. Nurse, you are my 10%. Common fund. Me quarterly releases. And then I'm out for fees be a DDF. And DDF. And yet DDF a quarterly releases quarter no ana me yen ngakra credit see sa dan kakakane si wo de me ka tia say besides that sa obi odi ma sokore man pon sa staff accommodation e si ne eto aso for na wo asokore man pon hin opposite wo no sa dan no apartment no makoma si 14
ni nyina ya common fund
quarterly releases. I know they to be frank with me the DDF no be ko shame fence in a new place one yeah no all the mention your fence won nyina yeah pavement here no money nyina did you move ko ho e dan ni mu nyina no e common fund dia me common fund ansana me no kan you ansana adapters ensure e kulturi na sefo enkonwa ye to de ma your friend is saying school for na sefo nyina common fund within the 3 years and some months I call your Juma as Koreman. Nana I Reverend, I can count not less than 45 projects. Yeah. It was a Koreman. Almost every project was a Koreman. Biana. Now me call a name you know. Please just name you know. Because we common farm projects in Yami UEFA. So anti behavior of some of the MMDCs, you know, both past. One mention governments and you know so NPP ni also NDC you know they really some of them really abuse it. Said they me see on opa ko bi municipal na ko bi district so benye bibi kwa don sa kire so a I see and say sika na meje wa asokore mampon no say sika na bi maybe asokore mampon na ye ni this omo friend secondary city you ni secondary city project o ye the common fund ana yes ani omo ni nyina e bitimi common fund e bi create me boka gu no muntwa assembly members you can be muntua minister make at here
yeah
so and your boss no more musunya advantage kwata na common fund as administrators no so ya nice oba apisu it was swanioma bit fertilizer on the big asokore mampo asase be
was ade na ye brem kra
asokore mampo as I fertilizer how the be
this come am some to am 20 na ye de nema na brem
but because ade no mistake on me and say they didn't look at the priorities of the assemblies as a common assemblies na the ade so fi say nipa na abuse wa
ba na obedi a
manage never be man but omo no omutune wa na omo akwakwaya di omo pe oton sekan na oton sekan be almost getting to 5,000 pieces na be gwa sokoro man po titwa ho anase efa nkodo ana efa gwere so onti ade ni gina ne say de o hwe so no boni wo di trim de ade be si ni so amane de ayadwuma no so bebi mu so boni wo mu trim so because the concept of decentralization no Kofi maybe common fund na baso kore man but I use myself as example on say omu anteswa me for more fund me could do a bo me this like as kore man MC you know mo temi common fund so by 70%. 70%. Now me predecessors energy about 150,000. We make out say and no moji me dey buy na fi dey less than 50,000 500,000.
Wow.
Yes, na better 500,000. And to reduce me call them why have you reduced it? Are you trying to say more person will me failure now? Because I thought say it was I'm being victimized. Tafo municipality common fund says Koremampo.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you, Tafoji almost 900 per quarter. Now so Koremampo jibe about a little over 500. One mention. Now so senka minyasa. They not be predecessor general. I'm telling you, can be a different story. Maybe they be a soccer map of Nisasimbo, me come in through. Obey me a quack of him, friend, why never acquire accounts the finance. The projects are physically there. So, and the black of it, I didn't you know, say, yeah, de akwatana wo se MMDCE ye sumani ene ye ene wo mo no makwatana wo te se administrator no so suba no mu ne ye ana MP for no so mu chesika ne e wo parliament so mu suba no mu ne ye because so no MP no mu cha formula no ma cheche abo ho na ete bebre de akoma MP for no ona me chia no ade na ye 5% from the consolidated fund as ye di adwuma no bo so mu di bia we di biafa na bia ko no so ko duru se we di kakra na se be duru so ono so arere ase di nyina de me ka tia se ye nya enipa bone sem no as they will be appointees de bia ba betena ha besu bona me chia no ye nya enipa bone sem no dos ko futi mi hwe obi uti obi asem o ka municipals na so district bi na hwe MMDCs bi o musubo mu da na di with a common fund I na tara e beauty bi asem a common fund ba obi timi ka se ye nchim mon kofa bia 20% for mama and to me what I mention no yes some people were demanding that wow no I could demand it no I man ono no yo eno de okodi ni free o na sa na watete bia ma o mo matete bia ma na de aka no o makoye na hwetere sa no ma sorry oh masa mayan kasa mi na sefo no hwe me say until say ye be start probu this system na nipa ni bo okra na ye be jelu o mo ye jelu o mo na sefo no ye be ba be gina de bia be ka Ghana me from by matra ma DMP da ma di municipal chief executive da I'm telling you Ghana ye yes ka say ba ko first kefra bontiri be Ghana I'm telling you because common fund ni na chi ni dan chen there's a IGF I know so what no so betimi adwuma keten as IGF no kra no se yes ye gigi ni ye agigi ni ya I know so betimi solve a lot of problems EZRA 94. But onipa da senisha daje he de okotwa ticket no gisika ni wi ono ankasa ticket no print bi kuta enti ono no etwa na ticket wi ano atwa ban de kakra gisia no kakra de asoso ana me na mechi wo ana okufi all the majority ni nyina say the mindset of the people, the mindset of the leaders. So when you be a very critical or you very serious a person, our person OGD all the majority. Na me obi ya to abayi mi ya bo mi dis me ko MC na me was ana assembly member empanyu assembly staff local government staff ni ba say this year better na confirm o ade no ye hwi sika na musa say na ye sika bi e de confirm MC ya na say e confirm this year no say there bi ye be fa kwan bi so na ya de a release karama na oba ya pekwa bi su de atuaka na just said they no you are corrupted they make ka jase ana me ka chiro be look then me na e bo me di ti mama ko kwan ma fa so a me kwa ko pem sika de ba ya maduma ana me hwe kwan ma fa so e be confirm me and because of that me see wo no wo ye hwan yo me nsuro because o me nyo na be betua me confirmation sika ma
exactly
but the moment you allow yourself for the assembly to raise funds for your confirmation, no, you are doomed.
Because almost take up.
No better work. But I didn't know the I just massa. So cause work out. Oba can